In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim a video in Clipchamp using keyboard shortcuts. If you want to edit faster, save time, and avoid constantly clicking through menus, this simple shortcut is going to make your workflow so much smoother. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, social media clips, or school projects, mastering keyboard shortcuts in Clipchamp is a huge time saver. Make sure to watch until the end so you can trim your videos quickly and accurately every single time. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Clipchamp tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one that already has footage in the timeline. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video clip is added to the timeline. If it's not already there, simply drag and drop your video from the media library down into the timeline area. Now, here's where the keyboard shortcut comes in. Look at your timeline and decide exactly where you want to trim the video. Trimming with a shortcut in Clipchamp works by splitting the clip at a specific point. So move your playhead, also known as the play cursor, to the exact position where you want to make the cut. You can drag the playhead manually with your mouse, or you can press the spacebar to play the video and pause it at the exact moment you want to split. For more precision, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move frame by frame until the playhead is perfectly positioned. Once the play cursor is exactly where you want to split the clip, simply press the S key on your keyboard. As soon as you press S, Clipchamp will instantly split the video into two separate clips at that playhead position. It's that simple. No right-clicking, no searching through menus, just one key press. Now that your clip is split, trimming becomes very easy. If you want to remove the beginning portion, click on the first split section and press Delete on your keyboard. If you want to remove the ending portion, click on the second split section and press Delete. You can also continue moving the playhead to different points in the timeline and press S again to create multiple cuts. This is especially helpful if you're removing mistakes, pauses, or unwanted sections from your video. Just position the playhead, press S to split, select the unwanted segment, and delete it. Using this shortcut repeatedly makes editing much faster compared to dragging clip edges manually. Another helpful tip is to zoom into your timeline if you need more precise trimming. You can use the zoom controls in the timeline area to get a closer view of your footage. This helps you place the playhead more accurately before pressing S. The more precise your playhead placement, the cleaner your cuts will be. After trimming, you can drag the remaining clips together to remove any gaps in your timeline. Just click and slide them so they snap into place. This keeps your video seamless and professional. And that's how you trim a video in Clipchamp using keyboard shortcuts. As you can see, pressing the S key to split at the playhead is one of the fastest ways to edit your footage. Once you start using this shortcut regularly, you'll notice how much quicker your editing process becomes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp editing guides. I'll be sharing more keyboard shortcuts and time-saving tips to help you edit smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.